Welcome to Bankruptcy Bytes, a video series presented to you by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. I'm Matt Rodman, attorney advisor to the Clerk of Court, and in this video, we'll be discussing the credit counseling course and debtor education course that all debtors must take. Both courses are required by the Bankruptcy Code and are vital in navigating your path to financial freedom. Just remember, the court and its staff have a statutory obligation to always remain neutral. This means we are unable to provide legal advice. Everyone's situation is a little bit different. For the best individual assistance, the court recommends all debtors speak with an attorney to get expert advice on the right path for them. The aim of the bankruptcy process is to provide debtors with a fresh start or clean slate. We want to give debtors a path to financial freedom. The Bankruptcy Code helps debtors navigate this path by requiring completion of two courses. First is a course in credit counseling, and the second is a debtor education course. The purpose of each course is slightly different, and they're taken at different points in a case. However, each course is required in cases filed under Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. A credit counseling course must be completed within 180 days prior to the filing of your bankruptcy case. You must file a certificate of completion of a credit counseling course along with your bankruptcy petition or within 14 days after you file your bankruptcy petition. Failure to file a certificate of completion of a credit counseling course puts you at risk of your case being dismissed. The credit counseling course lasts between 60 and 90 minutes, and the course provider will give you a certificate of completion at the end. Joint filers must each complete the full course and will receive separate certificates of completion. A debtor education course, sometimes referred to as a course in personal financial management, must also be completed. Without taking this course, the debtor is not eligible to receive a discharge. Unlike the credit counseling course, this second course is taken during the life of your bankruptcy case. It is meant to provide debtors with the tools to stay financially healthy following bankruptcy. After completing the course, the agency providing the course will likely file a certificate of completion on your behalf. If they do this, you don't need to take any further action. However, it is your responsibility to ensure that they file this certificate. If they did not, you must file Form B-423, titled Certification About a Financial Management Course. Form B-423 certifies that you have completed the course. One of the two must be filed in order to receive a discharge. The timing for taking the debtor education course varies slightly between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 cases. In a Chapter 7 case, the debtor must complete the debtor education course and have the certificate of completion filed for them, or file Form B-423 on their own no later than 60 days after the date of their Section 341 meeting of creditors. In a Chapter 13 case, the debtor must complete the debtor education course and have the certificate of completion filed for them, or on their own file Form B-423 no later than the day you make the last payment on your plan. Please note, failure to have the certificate of completion filed for you or on your own file Form B-423 may result in a delay in receiving your discharge or even in the closing of your case without a discharge at all. Debtors can expect to spend at least 2 hours completing the debtor education course. Just like the credit counseling course, joint filers must each complete the debtor education course. Joint filers will receive separate certificates of completion, or they will individually certify that they have completed this course. The United States Trustee Program provides a list of approved providers of both credit counseling courses and debtor education courses. This list can be accessed on the United States Trustee Program website. A link to the United States Trustee Program website can be found in the video description below. This video is intended to give you a brief overview of the credit counseling course and the debtor education course, both of which must be taken by the debtor. If you have any questions about the credit counseling course or debtor education course, the court strongly urges all debtors to speak with an attorney. If you would like to speak with an attorney regarding your recent or upcoming bankruptcy filing, the Bar Association of Metropolitan St. Louis hosts the St. Louis Bankruptcy Pro Se Assistance Program. This program offers cost-free 30-minute sessions with an attorney where the prospective or current debtor can get the answers to some of their questions. To schedule an appointment, you may call 1-844-758-4059 or schedule online at www.bamsl.org/bankruptcy. Thank you for tuning in to Bankruptcy Bytes, presented to you by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. I'm Matt Rodman, Attorney Advisor to the Clerk of Court, and on behalf of the Clerk and the entire Clerk's Office staff, we hope you find this information helpful, and we wish you all the best moving forward.